Welcome back, everyone. You may be having an issue with your Instagram account where, for some reason, every single time you try to upload something, you keep seeing the upload failed little option. Now, why does this keep happening? This is typically because of two main reasons, but it could be because of more. The main reason why this is happening is you may have a very poor internet connection. So, typically, if you're trying to upload any sized image, whether it's a small image, a big image, whatever, you're going to have to make sure. I forgot I totally made this image. You're going to have to make sure that you have a secure, strong network connection. If you have a very poor internet connection, whether you're posting a post or a story, it's not going to post, especially if you're on airplane mode or anything like that. So what you want to do is you want to connect to a better network. It's as easy as going into your settings, clicking on Wi-Fi or turning off Wi-Fi and going onto your cell connection if you have an iPhone that has, a SIM card installed. And then you just want to try updating and uploading that story that way. A majority of the time, that'll end up being the way to fix it. And that's pretty much how I've fixed this problem every single time. But also, there can be a problem if you actually go ahead and post a story or post a post, and while you're in the middle of it, you swipe out of Instagram and you delete, or go out of Instagram before the post or story fully uploads. So that's another thing. If you try going into it and you hop out of the app, you'll go back into your app maybe like an hour or two later and see it didn't even post in the first place because you exited out of it basically by swiping out of it like this. Whether you're on an Android or iOS, it's the same thing. So in that case, all you have to do is go back into it, repost the photo or story, and you should be good. Now, if that doesn't fix it, another thing that could be going on is Instagram is actually down. So, Instagram recently has been going down a lot. If you're experiencing this issue, all you have to do is pretty much just verify if Instagram is actually down or not. So in order to actually test this, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to the comment section of this video or videos like this. If this video that only gets like 300 views, it's probably not going to work, but there could still be some comments. So sort the comments by the newest comments and leave a comment yourself saying, hey, Instagram is down. Is anyone else experiencing this? And I'm sure a lot of people will go ahead and start commenting at the same time. And if you're seeing a lot of comments at the same time within seconds or minutes of each other, then Instagram is probably down. Especially if this video only gets like 200 views and people are already commenting within minutes, then it's probably down for them too. And you're probably just going to have to wait it out. You can also make your way to some down detecting websites. But me personally, I basically make my way to the comment section of these videos and see if Instagram is down that way. So that's pretty much it. Those are the main ways to fix this type of issue. You can also try updating Instagram, turning on and turning off your phone, different things like that. But typically, those are the three things that fix it for me. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.